Certainly, Chair. No worries. Okay, so we've got Cabinet members, Councillor Rob Jones.
Yep.
Councillor Edward Latham.
Yep.
Councillor Annette Wingrave. Councillor Wingrave. Okay.
She's not shown on the icons.
Okay, thank you, Chair. Councillor Peter Rees.
Yes, I'm here.
Councillor Alan Lockyer.
Yes, here.
Councillor Doreen Jones.
I'm here.
Councillor Carol Clement Williams.
I'm here.
Councillor Leanne Jones. Councillor Leanne Jones. Okay, we have apologies, Chair, of Peter Richards.
Yeah, Councillor Wingrave just arrived.
Oh, then we are. Welcome, Councillor Wingrave. Okay, do we have the scrutiny chair here, Councillor Mike Harvey? No. Oh, Councillor Lynette Purcell. No. Okay, I'll go through officers, Chair. Karen Jones.
Yes, you.
Hywel Jenkins.
Present.
Andrew Jarrett.
Yep, still here, Tammy.
Thank you. Aled Evans.
Yes, present.
Thank you. Craig Griffiths.
Present.
David Griffiths.
Present, Tammy.
Thank you. Karen Furlow Harris.
Present.
Thank you. Justin Griffiths.
Present, Tammy.
Thank you. Rhian Heaton.
Present.
Stacey Curran.
She's put her apologies in, Tam.
Thank you, Sian. Charlotte Davis.
Present.
Thank you. Chloe Blowman.
Present.
Thank you. Spencer Blewett.
Present.
Thank you, Spencer. Anita James.
Present.
Thank you. And Hannah Neary from Wales Online. No. And of course, there's myself, Tammy Davis. Have I missed anybody?
Tammy, I've managed to get in now, Annette.
Oh, welcome. Thank you. Okay. Councillor Leanne Jones, are you with us? No. Okay, there we are, Chair. That's done. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for that. As you gather, item 1, I will be chairing the meeting. Before we move into the meeting, this is the first official meeting of Cabinet since the sudden death of Councillor Steffan ap Dafydd. So I would just ask people for a quiet moment of reflection to remember Steffan. Okay, thank you for that. Moving to item 2, declarations of interest. Are there any declarations of interest from anyone? I'm seeing none indicated. I won't go through the protocols. It seems if we've been sitting in these chairs all day long at the moment and reviewed them often enough. Item 3, the overview of the regional response. Are there any further observations to be made or questions on this item? I think it was given a good airing in the scrutiny. Carol Clements, you got your hand up.
Yeah, just yeah, it's been touched on during the last meeting, but just to say how amazing our staff have been. There's a couple of financial reports due to come up as well. All directorates, all our staff, absolutely second to none. They've gone way and beyond, and how they've managed it, I take my hats off to them. From chief exec down to, you know, the lowest grades, amazing, and I am so proud to be part of this council.
Yeah, I would endorse all that throughout the whole pandemic, not just this particular item. Any other observations from colleagues? Okay, I'll move to the recommendation then, and the report is just for noting, so I'll just move forward on that. Item 4, the annual governance statement. Are there any comments or questions? I've seen none indicated. Therefore, in view of our changed way of voting, anyone object or abstain from this item? I see no indications. No?
Can't I move, Chair? I've been waiting all morning to move.
We'll just get up and stand.
Not that kind of move.
Oh, right. Okay. Go on then, move.
I move, Chair.
Fine. No one's objected, so that's passed.
I'm happy now.
Moving on then to item 5, the Welsh language standards. Any further questions or observations? I see none indicated. Therefore, Deputy, can you move this item?
I move, Leader.
Thank you. So in line with the new protocols, the recommendations on page 48, it's for monitoring. Anyone object or abstain? I see none indicated. Item 6, NPT safe and well. Any further observations or questions here? I see no indication. Recommendations on page 82. There are 3 recommendations. Will you move, Deputy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Anyone to object or abstain? I see no indications. Item 7, the recovery strategy. Any further observations or questions? I see none indicated. Therefore, the recommendation is on page 113 for approval. Deputy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Anyone abstain or object? See none indicated. Therefore, that's approved. Item 8, Treasury Management Outrun reports. This wasn't scrutinised. Is there anything either Howell or anyone has on observations or questions?
No, Chair.
Thank you. Just going into the chat, Councillor Harvey's been trying to join the meeting, but isn't it letting him in? So he's given his apologies. This probably means he's had such a long meeting, he's fallen asleep. Therefore, the recommendation on the Treasury Management Outrun report is on page 175. It's for monitoring. Deputy? Oh, Ted, you muted.
Yes, Chair.
Thank you. Any objections or abstentions? I see none indicated. Then we have the Treasury Management Monitoring Q1 report. Anything further to add by officers?
No, Chair.
Thank you. Any questions? That recommendation is on page 184. It's for noting. Deputy?
Move.
Thank you. Any abstentions or objections? I see none indicated. Item 10, section 38, policy adoption for new highways, Any observations from officers?
No, Chair.
Thank you. Any questions from members? I see none indicated. Lynette, that's fine. Thank you for attending. Therefore, the recommendation is on page 191 to adopt the policy. Deputy?
Can I move, Chair? And can I also ask Mr. Jarrett if he'd give me 30 seconds after this meeting finishes, please?
Mr. Jarrett, can you give the Deputy 29 seconds? I know that your time is precious.
Absolutely, Chair.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Very
So, anyone is objecting or abstaining from this item? I see none indicated. Therefore, that matter is approved. Item 11 on the agenda is urgent items. I haven't been notified of any urgent items. Can I now advise you at the end of this meeting all to stand up and go for a run so that your backsides can make some sense of the lack of feeling by sitting down for so long. Keep safe, people. We'll speak soon. Thanks very much.
Bye, everyone.
That's all.
Thank you,
Thank
Chair.
you.